Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy at home, and also hope you all are doing very well at home. So dear student, I Joy Singh, your maths teacher, and I welcome you all in a maths online class. So dear student, first of all take out your maths book and also take out your maths notebook, okay? Now today I am going to start the new problem set 5F. Okay, today I am going to start this one, and I hope you all have completed your previous work. Okay, you all have done now. Okay student, so now in this problem, the question number 1 is find the quotient in each of the following division sum. It is also same like the previous problem set. Okay, जो previous problem set में हम लोगों ने जिस टाइप से division किया था, it is also like that only. Okay, and you have to find the quotient. In that also you have to find the quotient, and in this also. So let's see how you have to do. Now see number 1, find the quotient. Okay, find the quotient in each of the following division sums. Okay student, problem set 5F. Okay, question number 1 on page number 69. So open page number 69, and this all questions, question number 1 and question number 2, both question you have to do in your maths notebook. Okay, now see number 1, divide 639 by 3. Okay, 639 by 3. Okay, so see here I have written 3. Okay, and like this I have done. Now here 6, 3, 9. Okay student, now in 3 tables, how many times 6 will come? So 6 will come in 2 times. 6 2s are 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6. So I have done here minus. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Then I have put 3 here. Okay, now in 3's table, how many times 3 comes in one's time? Okay, again I have done here minus, then 3 minus 3 will come 0. So again 9 is left, 9 again I have put here. Now in 3's table, 9 comes in 3 times. 3 3s are 9. Okay, again I have done the minus. Okay, so what comes? 639 divided by 3 is equals to 213. Okay, 213, 213. Okay, and 213 is your quotient. Okay student, six 3 9 divided by 3 is equals to 213. Okay, it is the answer. Now B, divide 468 by 2. 468 by 2. Okay, so again see here, 2 I have written here, and 4, 6, 8 here. Now in 2's table 4 comes in how many times? In 2 times. Okay, 4 I have done. Then again I have done the subtraction here. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. Again 6 will come here. We put 6 here. Now 2, in 2's table 6 comes in how many times? In 3 times. Okay, 3, 2 3s are 6. 6 I have written here. Now 6 minus 6 comes 0. Now we put here 8. 8 मैं फिर यहाँ लाई. Now 2 का टेबल में 8 कितने टाइम्स में आता है? 4 times. Okay, so 4 I have written here minus 0. So what is the answer? 4, 6, 8 divided by 2 is equals to 2, 3, 4. Okay, and 2, 3, 4 is a quotient. So note down, student. Now come to question number C. Question number 6. C, sorry. Divide 666 by 6. Okay? It is B. By 6. Now see, I have written here 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay? Now in 6 tables, 6 comes in one's time. Okay? So 6 I have written here minus. Done. Then 6 minus 6 comes 0. Now 1 6 come here. Now in 6 tables, 1 time 6 come. Okay? 0. Again 0. Then here it comes 6. 1 time again. Okay, 0 means 666 divided by 6 is equals to 111, means 111. Okay, so these are the division. Okay, division sums. Now up to C I have completed on the whiteboard, and one more question is there. Divide 448 by 4. So that you will do by your own. Okay, student. Now note this question in your notebook, and D you have to do by your own. Okay, now do it first. Done, student? Now come to question number 2. It is all question number 1. I hope you are not having any problem while doing division. Isn't it, student? You are having no problem, na? Okay. Now question number 2 is, it is written in your book also, okay, do the following in your notebook, okay. So writing the question number 2, do the following in your notebook. Okay, do the following in your notebook. Now see number A, 846 divided by 2, and B, 700 divided by 7. Okay, now see here, 2 I have written, 8, 4, 6. Okay, in 2's table 8 comes how many times? In 2's table 8 comes 4 times. Okay, so 2 4s are 8. So 8 I have written here, done the minus. Now 8 minus 8 comes 0, then here 4. Now 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 4 मैंने यहाँ पे किया, पहले 1 डिजिट है इसलिए 1 1 मैं कर रही हूँ. Then it comes 0. Now here 6 is left. 6 I have put it here. Now 3 2 3s are 6. Minus here comes 0. Okay. So like this only, here nothing you have to find out. So like this only you have to solve, and at last 0 is compulsory to come here. Okay, इसमें 0 आना चाहिए. Okay student. Now see here, 7 divided by 700 divided by 7. Okay. Now in 7's table, 7 comes in 1's time. So I have done here 7 minus 7 comes 0. Now this 0 I have put it here 0. So 7 zeros are 0. Okay. So means 0 I have done here. Nothing. 0 0 0. One more 0 is there. Then I have put here 0 zeros are 0. 0. Okay. आप इसको इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो अगर 0 है तो 7 7 आपने कर लिया डिवाइड. ओके, इसके बाद 2 0 है तो आपको 2 0 पुट करना होगा इस नंबर के बगल में. ओके, जैसे आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आप फर्स्ट डिजिट को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और यू हैव टू पुट डबल 0 एट द राइट साइड. लाइक दिस ओनली डिवीजन इज ऑल्सो दैट लाइक. ओके, अगर 0 है तो इसमें भी आपको 2 0 राइट साइड में पुट करनी है. आप ऐसे करके करो या आप डायरेक्टली ऐसे कर सकते हैं. ओके, आप 7 के बाद 0 आने के बाद भी आप डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं या आप पूरा सॉल्व करके कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो बोथ आर द ऑप्शन फॉर यू. इट इज द मैथ्स. Now students, there is up to H. Okay, so question number A and B I have completed, and up to H you have to do by your own in your note copy. Okay, because all are like this. So your homework, okay, do up to H in your copy. Okay, it is the homework for you. Up to H you have to do by your own self. Okay, and it is very easy. Once you will understand, then you can do by your own only. Okay, आप खुद से कर सकते हो. So do it, and again I will meet you in the next class. So till then, do practice. Bye, take care.